53. Insane urban exploration routes, rooftops, old buildings and street tunnels. 1. The rooftop walk of Mongkok skyline exploration above the city, a secret series of rooftops that connect across Mongkok. Offers insane urban views not seen from the streets. Distance: approximately 3 kilometers. Difficulty: hard only for experienced urban explorers. 2. The old drainage tunnel walk underground, exploration route. A network of abandoned tunnels under the streets of Hong Kong. Requires wading through water in some areas. Distance approximately 4 kilometers. Difficulty: hard not for beginners. 3. The secret alleyways of Shengwan. A maze of forgotten alleyways that lead to hidden temples and old shops. Some alleys are so small you need to squeeze through. Distance approximately 2 kilometers. Difficulty: easy. 54. The hidden lakes and mystic water trails. 1. Tai Tam Tuk Reservoir hike around Hong Kong's serene waters. Hidden in the mountains, surrounded by lush greenery and peaceful water. Distance approximately 6 kilometers. Difficulty: easy. 2. Tung Ping Show. A journey to Hong Kong's Lost Island. Remote and tranquil island with striking blue waters. Great for walking and swimming. Distance approximately 3 kilometers. Difficulty: moderate. 3. The Deepwater Bay Walk. Exploring Hong Kong's serene beachside, quiet, secluded beach trails, with beautiful panoramic views. Distance: approximately 2 kilometers. Difficulty: easy. 55. Secret and hidden beach adventures. 1. Kier Sui Beach, tiny beach, with the ultimate solitude. A hidden gem located on the far side of Sai Kung. A peaceful spot far from the crowds, perfect for a beach hike and picnic. Distance: approximately 3 kilometers. Difficulty: easy. 2. Hoi Ha One, where the sea meets the mountains. A remote, pristine beach tucked into a national park. Best enjoyed by walking along the coastal cliffs. Distance: approximately 5 kilometers. Difficulty: moderate. 3. Turtle Cove, secret cove, with crystal clear waters. Tucked away, this undiscovered beach offers rare tranquility. Distance: approximately 3 kilometers. Difficulty: moderate. 56. Dangerous cliffs and risky ridge walks. 1. The Ridge Walk of Beacon Hill, perilous, narrow path. Extremely narrow ridges with steep drops on either side. Incredible panoramic views of the city's skyline. Distance: approximately 3 kilometers. Difficulty: hard. 2. High West Ridge for the Braveheart hiker. A dizzying cliffside path with 360-degree views, often fogged over. Distance: approximately 4 kilometers. Difficulty: very hard. 3. The Gully Walk at Lantau, a slippery adventure. Slippery, tight cliffside paths, requiring good balance. Famous for its sharp turns and steep ascents. Distance: approximately 6 kilometers. Difficulty: hard. 57. High-altitude mountain treks. 1. Mount Butler Conquer, the highest point in Hong Kong Island. One of the highest summits on Hong Kong Island, offering unmatched views of the entire city. Distance: approximately 7 kilometers. Difficulty: moderate. 2. Lantau Peak hike up Hong Kong's most scenic summit. A steep and challenging climb to one of Hong Kong's highest points. Distance: approximately 10 kilometers. Difficulty: hard. 3. Ama On Shan Ridge extreme vertical hike. This hike takes you over rocky, challenging ridges, one of the hardest in Hong Kong. Distance: approximately 8 kilometers. Difficulty: very hard. 58. Waterfall and river adventure trails. 1. Ng Tung Chai Waterfalls, hidden waterfalls in a valley. A series of cascading waterfalls with serene pools, perfect for a quick dip. Distance: approximately 5 kilometers. Difficulty: moderate. 2. Lion's Head Waterfall, rare secluded waterfall. A secret waterfall tucked away in the wilderness, often overlooked by tourists. Distance: approximately 4 kilometers. Difficulty: moderate. 3. The Stream of the 10,000 Waterfalls, a river walk with multiple falls. Uncountable small waterfalls, scattered along a scenic river trail. Distance: approximately 8 kilometers. Difficulty: hard. 59. The urban exploration routes. 1. Kowloon Walled City ruins, the lost city of Hong Kong. Once the densest city in the world, now filled with remnants of its dark past. Distance: approximately 3 kilometers. Difficulty: easy. The old British colonial buildings of Admiralty. Walk through the decaying remnants of old British architecture, now part of the cityscape. Distance: approximately 5 kilometers. Difficulty: moderate. 3. Shengwan Rooftop Climb, scalping the city. A climb over rooftops, offering incredible urban views of old Hong Kong. Distance: approximately 2 kilometers. Difficulty hard. 60. Hidden villages and old settlements. 1. Xingmen, redoubt and old military outpost. Lost villages from ancient times, built deep in the jungle and rarely visited. Distance, approximately 7 kilometers. Difficulty, moderate. 2. Pingshan Heritage Trail, discover Hong Kong's ancient settlements, exploring ancient temples and villages from the early days of the region. Distance, approximately 4 kilometers. Difficulty, easy. 3. Lam Soon Wishing Trees, a magical, ancient village. Visit ancient trees and old villages, known for their cultural significance. Distance approximately 4 kilometers. Difficulty, easy. 61. Extreme jungle and forest exploration. 1. Kam Shan Monkey Hill, where the monkeys roam free. Explore deep forest trails, encountering wild monkeys along the way. Distance approximately 6 kilometers. Difficulty, moderate. 2. The verdant jungles of Lantau. Deep forest trails away from the city. Dense rainforests and hidden waterfalls await you. Distance, approximately 9 kilometers. Difficulty hard. 3. The Secret Canyon of Taipo, a hidden jungle adventure. A remote jungle path, featuring towering cliffs and trickling streams. Distance, approximately 5 kilometers. Difficulty, moderate. 62. The Ultimate Multi-Day Trail Treks. 1. The Full Maclehose Trail 100 km across Hong Kong's wildest landscape. Hike Hong Kong's longest trail in just a few days, from start to finish. Distance, approximately 100 kilometers. Difficulty, very hard. 2. The Lantau Trail, explore the island's core. The longest trail on Lantau Island, offering complete isolation. Distance, approximately 70 kilometers. Difficulty hard. 3. The Hiking Heaven of Plover Cove Reservoir, epic 4-day journey. A multi-day journey around Plover Cove, crossing rivers, valleys, and peaks. Distance, approximately 40 kilometers. Difficulty, hard. 63. Urban hiking challenges and hidden paths. 1. Victoria Peak, walk a city hike for the bold. Hike the city's highest point, with skyscraper views and hidden pathways. Distance approximately 7 kilometers. Difficulty, moderate. 2. Kowloon Peninsula, walk urban walking over skyscrapers. A crazy hike across the busy Kowloon Peninsula's urban landscape. Distance, approximately 5 kilometers. Difficulty, moderate. 3. Dragon's Back urban exploration, walk the hidden pathways of the city. Hidden urban sidewalks that lead to mysterious hidden viewpoints in the city. Distance, approximately 4 kilometers. Difficulty, moderate. 64. The hidden temples, shrines, and ancient relics. 1. The Buddhist Path, a sacred route to the Big Buddha. A serene, peaceful walk through a forest path to the giant Buddha on Lantau Island. Distance approximately 6 kilometers. Difficulty, easy. 2. Wong Tai Sin Temple, exploring Hong Kong's spiritual heart. Walk through one of Hong Kong's most famous temples, filled with vibrant culture and energy. Distance approximately 2 kilometers. Difficulty, easy. 3. The Ancient Shrine at Chung Shou, religious heritage exploration. A small yet beautiful shrine hidden among ancient village streets. Distance, approximately 3 kilometers. Difficulty, easy. 65. Coastal walks with ocean views. 1. South Lantau Coastal walk, ocean at your feet. Hike along the coastal edge of Lantau, offering breathtaking views of the South China Sea. Distance, approximately 8 kilometers. Difficulty, moderate. 2. Stanley and Tai Tam Harbor walk on the edge of the sea. A peaceful coastal hike with breathtaking views of Stanley Bay. Distance, approximately 6 kilometers. Difficulty, moderate. 3. Clearwater Bay Beach walk, crystal waters and views. Walk through one of the most scenic beach areas, with crystal clear waters and peaceful scenery. Distance approximately 5 kilometers. Difficulty, easy. 60. Challenging mountain treks for the ultimate adrenaline rush. 1. The Dragon's Back Ridge, Hong Kong's most famous trail. Known for its spectacular ridge walk, with dramatic views of the coastline. Distance approximately 8 kilometers. Difficulty, moderate. 2. The Maclehose fourth section, traverse over Hong Kong's peaks. The fourth section of the iconic Maclehose Trail, with rugged terrain and stunning views. Distance approximately 20 kilometers. Difficulty, hard. 3. Tai Mo Shan, Hong Kong's highest peak. Massive 957 meters climb up the highest peak in Hong Kong, offering dramatic views of the whole territory. Distance, approximately 8 kilometers. Difficulty, hard. 67. Extreme urban exploration. 1. Kowloon Walled City ruins, urban exploration in the heart of the city. The ruins of a once dense city, now lost in time, offer hidden passages and haunting architecture. Distance approximately 3 kilometers. Difficulty moderate. 2. The abandoned Kai Tak Airport. Tread over forgotten runways. Explore the iconic yet abandoned airport, once one of the world's most dangerous. Distance approximately 5 kilometers. Difficulty moderate. 3. The hidden tunnels of Central. Explore underground pathways. Walk through old tunnels, once used for underground transportation. Distance approximately 3 kilometers. Difficulty moderate. 68. Off the beaten path trails. 1. The hidden woods of Pat Sin Lang Jungle Trek with views. A secluded jungle path, winding its way through dense forest and rocky peaks. Distance approximately 7 kilometers. Difficulty moderate. 2. From the mysterious trail of Plover Cove. Explore Hong Kong's hidden heart, a hidden gem path through untouched nature, leading to serene reservoirs and lush forests. Distance approximately 9 kilometers. Difficulty moderate. 3. The peaceful path of Singyi Island. Escape from the city. A secluded trail through the hidden forests of Singyi, perfect for those looking for quiet escapes. Distance approximately 5 kilometers. Difficulty easy.